Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Sims 4 base game. Start by launching the Sims 4 and selecting New Game. Your first step is to create a Sim, customizing their appearance, voice, and walk style. Choose up to 3 personality traits and an aspiration to define their character. Next, find them a home, either by building one from scratch or selecting a pre-made lot. Furnish it to meet their basic needs like sleeping, eating, and hygiene. Your Sims have 8 core needs: hunger, bladder, energy, fun, social, hygiene, environment, and comfort. Keep an eye on these in the bottom left panel. For example, a full bladder bar means they need to use the toilet, and a low energy bar means they need sleep. Satisfying these needs is crucial for their happiness and overall performance in daily activities. Sims can develop over 25 different skills, from cooking to logic, by performing related actions. Higher skills unlock new interactions and career opportunities. Select a career from the phone or computer and send your Sim to work daily to earn money and promotions. Completing aspiration milestones grants unique reward traits, significantly impacting your Sim's life and abilities. The Sims 4 offers several distinct neighborhoods to explore. Use the world map to travel to parks, libraries, or other Sims homes. Engaging with other Sims in public spaces helps build relationships and expand your social circle. Don't forget the powerful build mode, which allows you to construct and decorate any lot with thousands of objects, from furniture to landscaping elements, offering endless creative possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.